this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change this image from this to this. Hello viewers and welcome again to Photoshop. Today we are going to learn another simple trick, and today what we are going to learn is how to scan for blemishes in Photoshop, or how to remove these blemishes in Photoshop. So without wasting my time, import a photo with a lot of blemishes on your face, or you can get a photo from your friend and try to do this practical aspect with me. Okay, so without wasting my time, so what I want you to do is, let's zoom this picture. Now you could see all these blemishes on this lady's face. Okay, you see this is what is called the blemishes, and that's what we want to remove in Photoshop with this trick. So what you need to do is first come down here, create black and white layer. Now what I want you to try to decrease the rest. Okay, and you see the blemishes are just showing up so quick. Decrease the yellow. Okay, but it's becoming so dark. So what you need to come back, like this, come back down here, click on this and create what we call curves. Okay, now make sure the curves is below the black and white layer, so move it down. Now hold down here and increase the brightness a bit. I think this is okay. Now see the spot right here. What I want you to do is select this main layer, create a layer on top of it. Now come to your tools, I click on this tool and choose healing brush tool. Now make sure your sample is moved from current layer to current and below. Zoom in your picture in. Okay, this, and try to sample a non-blemish layer by holding Alt key or Option key. So just sample layer and start this. Okay, and look at what is happening. We are removing all the blemishes, the spots. Fast, spot, remove all this. Right. So now let's see before. So this was before and this is after. Let's look at that. You see? So that's how you remove blemish on the face of someone in Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. We'll continue to be creative, try to import different and try to each and every day. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Take care of yourself and stay safe. See you now next.